Are you forgot your Windows password? Don't worry, this video is only for you. Hi and hello everyone, come back again with a new video. In my previous, we have talked about how to use CHNTPW to reset Windows password. In this video, we are going to crack it. If you not yet watched it, click the I button and watch now. Even before, you guys have seen this kind of screen, which is known as Logon UI. That UI screen protected with a password. If you have seen this video before, you have already known that the Windows password is stored in the SAM file in the form of hash. Then what is SAM? The SAM, Security Accounts Manager, is a database, stored as a registry file in Windows NT, Windows 2000, and later versions of Windows. It stores users' passwords in a hashed format, in an LM hash and an NT-LM hash. Since a hash function is one-way, this provides some measure of security for the storage of the passwords. Introducing OPHCrack. OPHCrack is a free Windows password cracker based on rainbow tables. It is a very efficient implementation of rainbow tables done by the inventors of the method. It comes with a graphical user interface and runs on multiple platforms. Let's overview OPHCrack in just a few steps. Before that, make sure you have a Kali bootable pen drive. If you have not yet, watch this video first. To overview OPHCrack, I am going to create a new user with a simple password. Done. Boot Kali Linux from live USB persistence. It will take time. Here it has done. So, now we are going to copy two files, one is SAM and another one is the system file. As you see, this is my Windows PCC drive which stores system logs. Now open terminal from here and change the directory using cd command and the path address. To check whether the SAM in system exists or not, run ls SAM system. Now copy these two, using cp command to the desktop directory. As you see now in my desktop, two files appear. To decrypt the SAM database and reveal the password hashes, open terminal from desktop and run following command. sam.2, space, the names of the files, -o, the output of the text file. As you see, a new file appear. This file store the user information in hash. Now run OPHCrack. As you see, the interface will look like. Now you need to do one more thing before use it. You have to download Rainbow Table from their official site. The link is in my description box. Scroll down and download Vista free. As you see, download started. Download completed. Extract it from here. Open OPHCrack. Now click on Load. Click pw dump. Choose the file from the desktop. To crack the Windows password, we have to install Rainbow Table. To install, click Table. Click Vista Free. Now click Install. Now choose the path where you extract the download file. Click Open. Here it has done. Now click Crack. It will take time. In just few minutes it cracks my password. Now you able to log in from this password. How to prevent from password cracking? Use a strong password which contains the following criteria. The password might contain 6 to 12 words. At least one upper or lowercase. At least one numeric. At least one special character. If you follow these criteria, there is less chance to crack it. Try it on your own side. If you have any doubts and queries on my video, please mention it. I will try to solve it as soon as possible.